I'm looking for volunteers to identify subject. How many clauses do we have up here? How many subject predicates are we going to be looking for? Subject predicate sets. 2? Hope says 2. Absolutely correct. So I'm looking for 2 subjects and 2 predicates. And subject predicate that goes together here and a subject predicate that go together here. Who's got them? Jacob? And Ryan. All right, who's got one to go with its subject? Dan? You have a predicate to go with his subject? And Logan, do you have? Okay, take a chance, take a chance.
Yeah, I think it's chance.
Wait, a subject?
Absolutely.
Predicate?
If this is the subject here, then the subject has to do some kind of action or have a linking verb with it, right? So the dog did what? Is this phrase all about the dog?
It made her. It made Melody.
No,
happy.
Melody's happy.
So it's all about
She.
she.
Oh, I know. Yeah, that's what I thought.
All right?
That makes more sense.
Predicate is easy to spot because it's always a verb.
That's helpful.
Oh, there you go. Would you also identify the subject goes with that one? Excellent. All right, now we have to identify what kind of predicate this is. Linking or action? Abby?
Whoops.
And if it's a linking verb, we go to our chart. Subject, action verb, subject, linking verb. When we have a linking verb, we're going to look for subject complement, which is, remember that when we have a linking verb, it's like an equal sign. The subject equals either an adjective or a noun. Do we have a word like that?
No.
Over here, Melody was what?
Melody was frustrated at times.
So we do have a word like that.
Yeah.
Frustrated and Melody, is frustrated describing Melody?
Yeah.
So then it definitely is an adjective that it is our subject complement. That is our subject complement. All right, let's look over to our second clause. She was, is there a subject complement? We have a linking verb again. Is there a subject complement there? Ryan?
Happy.
Okay, and when we look at our chart, do we have to look for anything further?
Nope.
No, that's the important parts in the sentence, okay? Now we go to our next one. What is this row for? Phrases.
It's a compound sentence.
We're gonna get there. Do we have any phrases? We know one phrase.
2.
Ryan?
Prepositional phrase.
We know prepositional phrases.
Okay.
Are there any prepositional phrases here? Yes.
At times.
Very good. Come on up and write it in. The way you do this is you put some brackets. Starts there, ends there, and inside you write prep phrase. Any others? Zoe?
With the dog.
There you go. Come on up and mark that one in this row. You guys are doing awesome. This is our second day analyzing sentences, and you're doing very, very well. I'm very impressed. Oh yeah, you definitely want to put the brackets where it starts and where it ends. There you go. Starts with and ends with what? You don't have to write with. You just write prep phrase. Yeah. Label it. Excellent. Which takes us down to the bottom. Ooh. First, what kind of sentences is this? Is it declarative?
No.
Everybody say declarative.
Declarative.
Is it interrogative?
Interrogative.
Is it imperative?
Imperative.
Is it exclamatory?
Exclamatory. Exclamatory?
How will I know if it's exclamatory?
Just telling her what.
Say that loud.
An
An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation point to tell me that. So what kind of sentence is this?
Is it declarative?
It is declarative.
Oh.
Simply stating a fact, right? And we can tell that by the ending punctuation as well.
A period.
Would you come up and write declarative? Last thing. What kind of sentence is it? Simple, compound, complex. What is it? Let me take a chance. We're thinking about it.
Compound.
It is a compound sentence. And we know that because of the type of, what tells us that, Logan?
Comma.
The comma, but what's right after the comma?
But a conjunction.
Right. The type of conjunction tells us whether it's compound or complex. So we know it's compound. And what is the structure of a compound sentence?
I don't know what that I or one,
It definitely is an I.
an I, comma, CCI.
That means an independent clause, a comma, a coordinating conjunction, and an independent clause. Where is our comma? See it?
Right after time.
Where's our coordinating conjunction? Right here. So our CC is right here. Our comma is right here. Where's our first independent clause? Independent means it could be a sentence all by itself. It doesn't need anything else. It could be a sentence. Where's the first one? Where's the first one?
Well, it starts with melody.
And where does it end?
Times.
Okay, so read it for me.
Melody was very frustrated at times.
Okay, there's our first I. Where's our second independent clause? Where's our second independent clause? What's left?
She was happy with the dog.
You got it. Could that be a sentence all by itself?
Oh, yeah.
Sure it could.
And so could see what happens.
Melanie was very frustrated at
And
times.
then your CC.
Total sentence.
But
She was happy with her dog. Total sentence. Glued together with a coordinating conjunction, which is like the glue between two independent clauses, right? Awesome.